In this video, I'm going to show you how to get BullX Neo referral code. So over here, as you can see, I'm on BullX Neo, and actually, to get the BullX referral code, you can't be on Neo, but you have to go to the official BullX IO, not the Neo version. So just go to, I'm gonna just erase this link, so bullx.io. And then from here, this is the usual BullX. You want to hover over here on the left side, and down here it says referral, as you can see. Now, of course, to do this, you will have to have an account. So if you don't have an account yet, and for example, if you're still on the wait list, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. You can simply use that link to sign up, and that's it. Now, once you have an account, simply go to referral over here, and then it will prompt you to essentially retweet a specific post. So you just have to click retweet, and then it will take you to X or Twitter, whatever you want to call it, and from there you'll get the ability to sign into your Twitter account and then retweet essentially a post that they have. And then once you do this, you'll be able to access this panel over here, which is the referral panel. And in here, to be able to get the BullX referral code, you want to click over here where it says share. So once you do this, you'll be able to copy this code, and you can then send it to your friends or to whoever you want to refer. Now, yet again, you can't do this on the BullX Neo. You have to go to BullX, and then that referral code, as far as I understand, goes for BullX Neo as well, so for both platforms. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.